Very good morning, cadets. So we are in chapter number 6. In chapter number 6, the name of the chapter, Towns, Traders and Craft Persons. We completed the activities such as map pointing, and we also completed the activity of important administrative centers. This topic also covered, and we also covered the topic of how temples were the powerful centers of business, that is commercial centers, and how the temples got their money or the wealth through the endowment of lands and other major source of income. We also studied about temple towns, that is Tanjavur, Vidisha, Somnath, Kanchipuram, Madurai and Tirupati. All these temples are very, very popular. Let us watch few videos related to the temples of Tanjavur, Madhya Pradesh, Kanchipuram, Madurai and Tirupati. This is a temple of Madurai Meenakshi Amman temple. I explained about the temple is known for the beautiful gopurams. You can see the beautiful gopurams. These gopurams are very, very famous for in Madurai Meenakshi Amman temple. Colorful gopurams. So Madurai was the capital of Pandyan kings. So this was one of the major, not only religious or pilgrimage center, it was, you can see the gopuram and this is a design inside the Madurai Meenakshi Amman temple. Such a wonderful design. If you are really very keen in observation of ancient marvels, then at least you need minimum 2 days to spend in this particular temple, so that you can really understand how beautiful the temple is built by the kings. You can see beautiful court halls, means the verandas of the temple, pillars of the temple. Such a beautiful lobby or lookouts. This is a Dravida style of temple construction. They are known for the huge gopurams. You can see tall and huge gopurams, and the top of that you can see the horn of a bull shaped structure. That is why it is called gopuram. You can, of course, you can search in YouTube, so that you will get a lot better videos, because we cannot attach few videos in the class because of the copy. Okay, this is the second one, that is what we are Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh. Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh was also a major center of temple town or pilgrimage center of Hindu, Buddhist and Jain temples. Because a marvelous carving of the temples were built in a huge area. The same style of temple structures you can see in Aihole and Pattatkal in Karnataka, nearly 115 kilometers from Bijapur. This is what we speak about Kanchipuram. Kanchipuram is a place where more than 1000 temples are there. That is what. So out of that, the top 10 temples of Kanchipuram is displayed here. Vishnu temple of Kanchipuram. The second temple, Kamakshi Amman temple. This is the temple of Kamakshi Amman. Kanchi Kamakshi, that is a very, very popular, famous temple of Madurai, Kanchi. And every temple you can see the lake. Kailashnathar temple. This Kailashnathar is nothing but Shiva temple. Kailashnathar, that is the Tamil pronunciation. This is the famous Shiva temple of Kanchipuram. See the temple carvings, the beauty of temple, how beautifully even the minute structures are given importance. The fourth important temple, Perumal Devaraya Swami temple. Perumal Devaraya Swami temple. Once again, Vishnu temple, Perumal. Okay, you see here also you can see lake. Most of the temples are associated with the lake. That is a teaching for the water conservation or importance of water, which they highlighted those days. Kareshwara temple. This is another temple. So if you visit Kanchi, definitely you have to visit at least Vaikunta Perumal temple. Perumal means God. It's a Tamil word. Vaikunta Perumal temple. This is the carvings of temples into structures. This is the ninth one. Adi Shankaracharya, Kanchi Kamakoti Pita. The 10th one, Ulaganatha Perumal temple. Vishnu, temple of Vishnu. Okay, this is the temple which we discussed often in our textbook, that is the big temple of Tanjavur. Rajarajeshwara temple, built by Rajaraja Chola. The main entrance of the temple, then you see Gopuram structure. This is what you can see, the shape, and this is the greatest pillar of the very, even today it's a mystery how such a huge pillar and a huge stone was kept on the top of it. The tower, temple tower, it is a huge mystery even today. You can see the statue of Nandi, Brihat statue of Nandi bull, big statue of Nandi. Observe even the minute aspects of the temple, because temple is not only the cultural center, it's a center of knowledge also, because each and every statue is carefully designed or carved and a story behind that. So this we have seen, which the temple tower or gopuram was so tall. Observe the design of the temple, and most of the designs are also meant for strengthening of the building, and most of the buildings were constructed in a interlocking system or technique. Inscriptions or writings of the past, paintings, so this is about Tanjavur. To the next, that is Tirupati Balaji temple. Here also you can see Kalyani or lake. Kondala means 7 hills. Railway station of Tirupati. Yeah, this is the railway station of Tirupati and town of Tirupati, and this is the entrance of the Ghat section. Once you enter the Ghat section, then you have to climb the hill, then only you can reach the Tirupati Balaji temple, the Ghat road section. Balaji, Lord Venkateshwara. Dining hall, So cadets, we had a video glance of Tanjavur, Vidisha, Kanchipuram, Madurai and Tirupati. Leftover video glance I will try to get you in another class, that is related to Somnath of Gujarat. Not only Somnath of Gujarat, then we try to get glance of Ajmer, Dargah and the famous temple of other famous temples, so that at least you get a better understanding of the topics. Whenever you observe those videos, you can see a lot of people traveling today, visiting place. So it is not only a temple or a place of a devotion, it is also considered a place where large number of people come, stay overnight or stay for few days. So business transaction, this is how the urbanization of towns grow in and around the temple. So cadets, I once again repeat, read history in a better way, so that you can respect the Indian culture and tradition. Take care. I'll see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye. Take care.